Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a purge of a closet that needs to be cleaned out. It's some of everything in this closet, but I'm going to be tackling it today and determining what I will be keeping, what I will be donating, and maybe even selling a few things. So if that's something that you're interested in, then just keep watching. Now, this is a part of a challenge hosted by Kimberly Davis over at Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. And this is the Purge and Declutter challenge that she hosts each season. So there will be a link to her channel in the description box below. There's also going to be a playlist for you to check out. And I would love it if you'd go over to her channel after watching this and check out her video on purging and organization, as well as the other participants in the playlist. So I'm going to go ahead and get started, but a special thanks to Kimberly for hosting this challenge, and let's keep watching. Okay, so I'm going to be filming in here today, which is my spare bedroom, but in here is quite a disaster. Now, this is a closet that is only used for overflow clothing items, most of which can probably be purged because they've not been used in several years. And then I also have my grandchildren's toys and things that they use when they come to visit. They live out of state, so these items are not used very often. But this is the current state of the closet, and it's quite a mess. So the first task is going to be to pull everything out of here, see what I have, what needs to be in here, what doesn't need to be in here, and then determine where it needs to go. So stay tuned. When you're purging, you always find some old things that you hadn't seen in a while. This is my first video camera, and I also found my old boxing gloves from back in the day when I used to do kickboxing. Don't ask me why, but I decided to keep both of those. All right, so this is what the closet is looking like now. It is so much better, and I see now that I do have space in here to kind of move around a little bit and see everything that's in here. So I still have the the easel and the ladder and the kids table and chair set, a high chair, and all the toys are up there in that little box. We got some books and puzzles there, the potty chair, some clothes that are for overflow, but I thinned those out considerably because I have not been using them, but there's some coats and things like that in there. So I've got this stack here that I'm actually going to be putting on my eBay store or Poshmark. So that's what that stack is. And then out here, I've got these that are all going to be donated to the thrift store, and apologies for all the hangers. I guess I'll be taking those as well if they'll take them. And then I've got this bag here that's also going to a thrift store, and I found some pull-ups in here too, so hopefully somebody can use those. I might actually put them on the Nextdoor app in case one of my neighbors is interested in them. But I've got quite a considerable stash here of clothing items that will be going on donation. So yeah, that's what the closet is looking like now. So now the door will close with no problem. Oh, I've got this bag of trash that also came out of there. But the door closes, which is a good thing. So I hope that this was motivation for someone to tackle that closet, that storage area in your home that you've been wanting to get around to and just had not been able to get around to it. It didn't take me long at all, so I was very, very happy about that. I was really dreading it because I was thinking it'd be an all-day task, but it really only took about an hour, so that's wonderful. So that's all I have today. If you're not currently a subscriber at my channel, I would love it if you would hit that subscribe button today before you leave and the notification bell so that you're notified each time I upload a video. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm so glad you stopped back by. And everybody, until next time, have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. But before you leave, don't forget to stop by over at Kimberly Davis's channel. The link will be in the description box below, as well as the link to the playlist so that you can check out all of the other participants. Until next time, bye-bye.